Chinatown is you gotta have a fresh haircut. Gotta look good for Chinatown. Okay, so looks like we got a little beef tapa, Tocino, sisig, beef powers, Ilocos,
What's your name, sir?
lomi, arroz caldo, spaghetti.
This is your classic food court in downtown Chinatown. Not a lot of open businesses still, a lot of closed businesses. You've got the one Pancit at the end. Great seafood restaurant, Flota. But oddly enough, the busiest is a Filipino restaurant.
So I got a little Pancit and the Ilocos Pancit. So that's a little pork belly, some Tocino, and of course the Pancit fried noodle.
Okay, I think I'm gonna.
Talk about a bowl of joy. Look at this. You've got your Ilocos, the pork, perfectly fried, looking good. Now they didn't have the longanisa, so I got the Tocino, which is usually I've had with breakfast. But what a great reason to have at lunch. So sweet. Umami. Porky. Delicious. Oh my god. I haven't had Tocino in a long, long time. It's one of the great all-time meats. It's like pork candy. Of course, buried under here, little Pancit, little noodles. Can't go wrong with that ever. Comforting. This is like a thick egg noodle. Of course, one of the great things you can have with any meal, a runny egg. Let's get that yolk going. Get it mixed up with that Pancit. Every egg comes with its own sauce. The yolk. It's a rainy day outside. Perfect little comforting meal. I can't tell what makes crispy pork belly so good. I think it's got to be that layer of crisp, and then you've got that fat, kind of unctuous meat going on. It really is like the marriage of two complete opposites. Gotta add a little acidity. Big part of Filipino food, either vinegar or lemon. You have a lot of fat in there, so a lot of acid helps. That's nice. Probably helps digestion. The egg bite. I mean, how many more shots of me eating and murmuring sweet, positive sounds to let you know this is good? More, you say? Let's add a little cane vinegar. Gotta do it. I know there'll be a lot of people watching that probably add a little bit of vinegar to their Pancit. I think this is Pancit Canton, which is like Cantonese pancit, I think, would be the Filipino Tagalog name. Thank you. That was incredible. Perfect. Little pancit lunch. Well, we got one rainy day in Vancouver, but that was one delicious lunch. So until next time, we'll try and track down some Filipino food, even if it's in Chinatown.